What's going on, guys? Mitch here from Rangeland RV. I'm standing in front of the all-new 2024 Rockwood Geo Pro 20 FKS. You're working with 21 feet of overall length. It's coming in at 4,000 pounds dry weight, and you're just under a 5,000 pound fully loaded weight. So I want to take you guys through some construction and outside features and what actually makes Rockwood one of the premium products out there available on the market today. So starting off right from the top, Rockwood builds their product with a 6-sided aluminum framed cage. They're putting block foam insulation inside the walls, and then they use what's called a vacuum bonded process. It's the absolute best way to seal up a trailer. It keeps it nice and sealed, keeps all that warm air in there. You're gonna have no cold spots over the colder months. You have a torsion axle system that this sits on top of. You get that independent rubberized suspension. It's an easier tow and reduces the vibration on the coach while you're towing it. You have out here, talking about features, they've got features galore going on. Look at this outside kitchen. You've got a cast iron griddle, so you can do your omelets, you can do your pancakes, you can do whatever you like there. You got a prep table, 2-burner stove, and just to top it off, look at the size of this on it. You're not going to be standing out there in the rain cooking outside. I don't like to do that. I don't think you guys do either. So that's definitely a massive benefit. LED lighting, so you can see what you're doing. Listen to some music outside as well. You have solid steps, so they're a lot more sturdy than those traditional trailer steps that you can find on some other comparables in the market. And the other thing I wanted to add is you get a tire pressure monitor system on here. It's going to tell you your temperature and your tire pressure. It's a lot safer while you're towing. Now we're going to work our way to the back. I'll show you a couple of real cool features here on the back. But one thing I did want to add is for the people that love to go dry camping, you have two 200-watt solar panels already installed on the roof of this trailer, and you're working with a 2,000-watt inverter, which is plenty for all your smaller electronics that you want to use off grid. Back here is going to be your shower. Your outside shower, you got hot and cold water. You got a nice, decent size storage compartment back here to bring all your additional, I like to call them whatnots. So to bring all your additional whatnots to the campsite with you. You have a receiver for your bike rack, so you can bring the bikes to the campsite with you. And then you got this nice ladder already built in on there, so you can climb up there, check your seals, and do your yearly maintenance as well. All right, why don't we go take a look on the inside, because this is a brand new floor plan for 2024, and I'm excited to show you. So here we are inside the 20 FKS. First and foremost, what you're gonna know is this floor plan does feature a massive front kitchen. You have tons of prep space. I know that is definitely one of the bigger problems out there that people find with their trailers, not enough prep space for all of their cooking and prepping. Tons of room here, undermounted stainless steel sink. You got an oven, 3-burner stove. You got your power port over here if you guys want to plug in coffee makers, kettles, whatever you need. Wireless charge port. The other thing I want to point out is they put this beautiful tinted automotive windshield in the front to let in a whole bunch of daylight. You got windows around, so tons of daylight, natural light coming in here, because it's not an overly long trailer, right? So you want to have that additional light inside. Tons of storage as well, solid wood cabinetry, beautiful modern look. They always do a great job with that. Why don't you come on in and follow me through. 12-volt fridge right here, so you can put a whole bunch of food in there. Separate freezer as well, so that you can freeze all your stuff that you want to bring. Now over here I want to point out that they have this really nice sofa. It does fold down as well to make into a bed for additional sleeping space. You do have this nice table, and this guy can swing and move any kind of way you want it so that you guys can be comfortable while you're watching some TV. They do give you a really nice TV as well, smart TV for all your additional stuff that you want to watch. Queen bed up here in the front. But the other thing that I wanted to point out too is if there wasn't enough additional sleeping space, they gave you this guy as well. So you can use this for the smaller ones, pets. You can use it for storage. You can use it for, you know, tiny little humans, kids I call them actually. And then in here is going to be your bathroom. So you got a fantastic fan right there. That can suck out 900 cubic square feet of hot air out of this trailer in under 1 minute. I think I almost once watched it suck RV Tyler right through the roof. So you got to be careful when you're underneath that thing. Got the AquaView shower miser. That's going to make sure you're utilizing way less water going to your gray tank. You know, bypassing it through your hot water tank until the hot water is hot, and then only releasing the hot water for your shower. But I mean, we have a ton of amazing products here at our dealership. If you'd like more information on the Geo Pro, on this specific floor plan or the whole Geo Pro lineup, please visit our website at rangelandrv.com, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Happy camping, guys.